Haven't decided who my COD father is yet. My Call of Duty father. Actually, I think I have. We all know, don't we? We all know who it's going to be. Oh, come, all ye faithful. Come on, everybody sing. Madrinda's got me. I don't know. Maybe not. Morgana? Bubble Witch? Usually drink, usually dance, usually bubble? I think it's the Bubble Witch. Definitely. I'm going to do my setups now. And then I'm gonna take the horse's head off my pillow. Put it downstairs with a dead crow. And you know the Scarecrow Trail? Followers of Catsoon. When I was walking around, somebody had one with a horse one called Gary. They said, I'm called Gary. I didn't get to take a picture of it because I didn't have my phone with me that day. I thought that was funny because Gary's my G. I've told you the Gary story, haven't I? Before. I'm sure everyone knows this, honestly. My middle name's Trap. What's that? Look. There's a green thing over there. I thought it was a worm. I've just put some more fleas in for him. Can you see them swimming around? There's so many you can't catch them. Oh, there's fucking hundreds. Honestly, he loves Idaho. So much. Eat them then. Don't just chase them around. They could be eight. Oh god, there's fucking hundreds of them. What is that? Oh, that's weed, I think. They could be alien ants, couldn't they? They could be alien ants. They're a bit like alien ants, aren't they? Gnats. There's an alien ant farm. I'm growing gnats now in the garden. Just remember, children, we'll all go to heaven. Just say, today's a good day to die. That's what you have to say when you get up in the morning. Today's a good day to die. And the other good things to remember to say is, I've had enough of this bullshit, and I'm ready to death. I'm ready. It's fine. Nobody panic. This is boring, isn't it? It is, exactly. We need to respawn. So don't worry. I'm crazy. Next level. We better win the football, honestly. We better win the football. Otherwise, I don't know. Maybe it's good if we don't win. Because, as the spoon dealer said, it'll be a big mess on the streets. Everyone's going to have a big headache. Somebody said to me, actually, if we win the football, it's going to be a bank holiday, like a national holiday. So, I don't know. It's tense, isn't it? Tense. Well, the perk's not having a TV. What's going on in the world? I thought the football was yesterday. Talk about Peaky. I miss coffee already.